Making American buttercream is one of the most easiest recipe to achieve in baking, but yet can be very technical if you don't know the right ratio of margarine to your icing sugar. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make the simplest American buttercream using just three ingredients. Hi guys, welcome to another interesting and educative tutorial again. If you're just joining me for the first time, thank you so much for stopping by. You are welcome. And to my returning viewers, thank you for the love, thank you for the support. I really appreciate. So in this video, I just want to show us the simplest way to achieve American buttercream. The first thing to do after getting your right measurement is to sieve the icing sugar. Now this process is very important. In fact, it is a must. Do not skip this process because sometimes you don't know how long that icing sugar pack has been in the shelf, so you can get a lot of lump from it and it will affect your buttercream consistency later. You'll be turning it, you'll be trying to comb it, and you'll be seeing seed like things inside the icing sugar. So the best thing to do to avoid such process is to sieve it. Now the next step is you're going to cream your margarine for a few minutes until it is light and fluffy, and then go in with your icing sugar. You don't have to rush this process. It's better you do it gently, like a small quantity of the icing sugar to the margarine and turn, and when everything is properly incorporated, you go for the next batch. Now some persons use mixer for this, but this is also for beginners. If you don't have mixer, you can use a spatula, you can use a rolling pin, even the candle or not the wooden rolling pin, or whisk. You don't have to use your whisk because this process might destroy your wicks. Buttercream is not that easy if you are using whisk. Some persons even use hand, but I don't really like that. So this is just a simple process. You alternate the process, put in your icing sugar, turn it for some minutes or for some seconds. Once everything is properly incorporated, you go in with the next batch. If you notice now, I'm not overcrowding it, I'm taking it by bits because I don't want to have any lump later. I want to achieve a very smooth buttercream so that when I'm working with it, it will not be difficult. At this point, I'm done with adding all the icing sugar. If your buttercream is as thick as this, feel free to add little quantity water. I did not add much water at once because if it is too watery, I will not be able to remedy it. So it's better to add the water bit by bit until you get the consistency that you want. Now, another thing you can add is you can either add flavor to this or you add liquid milk in place of the water, but I just prefer to use water. When you use liquid milk, if you add liquid milk to your buttercream and you did not finish it that day, you will not like the way the buttercream will look like few days time. But if you don't add liquid milk, just water, you can keep it. Not even, you don't have to refrigerate it, keep it on the shelf and it will last for long. Thank you so much guys for watching. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and follow for more. See you on my next video. Bye.